What's up guys, Eric from Sonic here. Today we have a 2017 Mercedes GLA. It's the really small SUV available here by Mercedes. This is the original screen that I came out with. It's very small. So what we did was we grabbed the larger screen and we replaced it with this, and we also added wireless CarPlay, Android Auto features. Everything looks factory, and installation is pretty simple, basically removing the factory screen and putting a new one on there. So we did that to this car today. Gonna walk you inside the car and show you exactly the process that it took to do that. We'll also walk you through all the functions of this product. So let's go ahead and get inside the car. All right, so we are in the car. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Like I said before, looks totally factory. And the only thing that we have here is we have these USB cables. One is to plug in media player in there if you want to watch videos, listen to MP3, or use it to update the device. So we have two USB for that, and the other one is for your wired CarPlay and Android Auto. So we have these. As you can see here, it's wireless, so we just came inside the car, turn on the car, and automatically the screen will switch over to the CarPlay or Android Auto screen as soon as your phone connects to the device, wired or wirelessly. And all the touchscreen features, very fast, very snappy. You retain all your factory controls, including your backup camera. So let me turn on the engine. Okay, with the engine on, reverse gear, turns on like so. Put it back to park or drive, goes back to the CarPlay screen. Steering controls are also retained, so this will increase the volume, this decreases the volume. You can pick up and hang up the phone calls. And we also retain our factory reverse camera, as you can see over here. And once we leave the backup camera setting, whether you go to park or drive, it goes back to the CarPlay screen automatically. And of course, everything is touchscreen, whereas the factory screen is not touchscreen, and you are stuck with using this jog dial here. And if you ever want to go back to using your factory Mercedes, you definitely can do so. You just have to go here, go to Car Home, OEM, and you are back to your native Mercedes screen. And as you can see, the screen does become a little bit stretched on your factory screen. That's because we're using the same factory content and we're filling it up in all the space available on the larger screen. So that is normal. And when you're operating this, all the audio is gonna run through your car's Bluetooth system. It's not gonna go through any aux or any of that, so you retain the same good quality audio you are used to. And that means that you have to make sure your phone is also connected to the car's Bluetooth system. So this works with the audio, car's Bluetooth system, and with our interface, you get to navigate through all the different options and apps. And depending on what apps are downloaded on your phone, it'll automatically show on the car screen. And if you guys want to play videos on there, you definitely can. You can also put this into airplane mode. Here are the instructions, and you can also watch videos and movies, YouTube, Netflix, while you are waiting in your car for somebody or for your passengers. And to install this, so first we have to remove the centerpiece here. In order to do that, you do have to remove these trims. You have to twist, pull it out, pry the vents out from the right side, left side, remove some screws down there, and loosen two screws that's holding the radio in place, which will pop this out. For the screen, if you go back here, there's little tabs that you pop off, and then there's two screws, torque screws holding it. You remove that and everything will come off. All right, well, that's it guys, and it also works for Android Auto as well if you have a Samsung, LG phone. A lot of Mercedes have the same type of screen, so this solution does not limit to just the GLA vehicles. It's also compatible with other same generation Mercedes models with the same interior that you see here. Well, if you have any questions guys, leave a comment below, or if you're interested in this, you want to give it a try and you want to make a purchase, go ahead and email us at info@bsonicusa.com and we'll make sure to help you guys out. Well, thank you very much, and we'll see you guys on the next video.